Hi all, this is the fourth tutorial from Engine in JavaScript category. Today we are going to learn about the loops in JavaScript. What is loops, types of loop and its samples. What is loop? Loops are iteration logic for collection. Example, you having set of number in array. We want to print one by one. Consider I am giving the set of numbers 1 to 10. You are stored it on one array. If I want to print elements one by one from that array, without this loop you have to use 10 lines of code based on index only you can able to print. So consider you having the hundred and thousands numbers of array. Consider you having the dynamic values on those array. How you can able to do that? So for simplifying those logic, every programming language having the loops. So like the way JavaScript having set of loops. Let me check what are the types of loops are available in JavaScript. First one is for loop, second for in, for off loop, while loop, do while loop. Here the for in and for off loop is same like other programming languages having the for each, right? Same kind of loop. First we will see the example for the for loop. Here I am having the collection call it having the five values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here I am having the three sections in for each loop. First one is initialization, second one is conditional operator, third one is increment or decrement operator. These three sections are segregated by the semicolon. We can skip these sections. I will show you how we can. First I am trying to execute this code. Yes, as per our expectation we got the values. So now we will check how we can ignore this section. We can ignore this section, meaning we can keep it as empty. We could not remove that section, meaning if you could not remove the semicolon. If you are removing the semicolon it will throw an error. Now I moved this initially section before the for each for loop, so I am able to get the value. So like the way you can do, you can move this conditional operator also. If you are removing this condition operation blindly, it will consider as an infinity loop, because the for loop by default taking as a condition as true, so it won't complete anywhere. So I am making one if condition here. I am checking this. If it is true, print. If some cases you got just break. I know you don't have idea about the break in if condition. Don't think about this. Let me discuss about this thing in next tutorial. Yes, as per my expectation we got the value. So like the way you can remove this section also, this increment and decrement operator, you can move it here. Still we are getting the same. I hope you are clear in the for. Now we are going to talk about the for in loop. Here we will declare one variable. This is our collection. Here we are using the in operator. The meaning, uh, how many variable values are available in this collection, it will take one by one. But this in, if you are using in, it will take only index, not the value. That's the reason here I am specifying call square bracket of index value. So we will get expected value. Check this. If I am removing this, I am printing the counter. You came to know what is the exactly we are getting on the counter. 0 1 3 3 2 3 4 5. I hope you got it. This is because array will start with 0. Okay, so if you are remember, if you are using the in, it will return only the index, not the value. Now we are going to use for off operator. Here I am having the same collection. It is moreover similar with the for in. Instead of in, I am having the off keyword here. Now it won't pass the value. Sorry, it won't pass the index, it will pass the value. So here we will get the value, meaning, yeah, you got it right. This is a major difference between for in and for off loop. Now we will move on to the while loop. The while loop same as for loop only, but we will have the increment and decrement and conditional part separated. We seen some example, right? Same thing. I am having the initialization part outside, conditional part and increment part inside that. So it will first check the condition. If the condition is getting true, then only it will allow here. So I am checking here. Yes, we got this value. This is some, I am using the developer tool, so I am getting this output. So in real time code you won't get this one. I mean this 4. Okay, check. For example, I am assigning here counter as 5. So in that case, it won't come inside because our collection count is 5, length is 5. So it is getting breaking here itself. So it won't come inside. So this is while loop. Let's move on to the do while loop. The do while loop and while loop is moreover similar, but one thing is while loop will check the condition and it will allow. The do while loop one time alone check, it won't check the any condition. It will execute this set of codes, then it will check if it is true on next iteration and upcoming iteration, then only it will allow. For example, consider here I am having the counter 0. Here I am printing, I am getting incremented. So as per our expectation, it get printed. For example, consider this case when the do while loop is really needed. I could not assign the value here. Maybe I am declaring only counter. So first time only I am going to, maybe I am having one condition here. If counter, by default it will be undefined. I am maybe I am assigning -1. If counter equal to -1, I am assigning counter is equal to 0. There will be a case in real time you will get this kind of things. So now think, what about this counter getting -1? So if you are using the while loop, it won't allow. It may be allow. There will be some problem like that. Maybe if I am specifying instead of -1 here, I am specifying the 10. So it won't allow. Here I am, but if you are going with a do while loop, it will allow. The now the counter is 10, so it will came to 0 at the first time. So upcoming iteration without breaking it will work. You got our output, right? This is our expectation. I hope you got the clear idea. Our summary is what is a loop, what are the types of loop: for loop, for in loop, for off loop, do while loop, while loop. I hope you are clear. Thank you. We will